This is Tecno Camon 18P I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To begin with, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch Play Store, sign in if necessary. At the search bar type in Opera like so. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for Opera browser to get, downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, tap on the blue continue button. Then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app from the start. I'll skip this step. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.